Hey YouTubers, so what we've got here is a 2015 Mercury Fourstroke 90 horse that I have the lower unit off of, and I'm working on replacing the seals and the water pump impeller. I had to take it off to repair a bent skeg that I had a little accident with. So I decided to start with the shift shaft here. And I looked on YouTube and I didn't see anything, so I thought I'd make a video, see if anybody else could gain a little knowledge from it. The O-ring seal is down underneath this white plastic bushing. See if I can pull that up. Let's see, that's in there. Of course, that was already loose. I had loosened that up by pulling up on this shaft, pulling it up, and tapping it up, and I tapped this bushing out that way. But once I got the shaft all the way out, it's about a foot long. I tried to reassemble the whole thing, and the shaft went in and it just spun around. I couldn't get it to change gears. And looking at the book, there's a little, it's called a shift cam there, that slides back and forth. Apparently it got jostled around and out of position, so I couldn't re-engage it. And I thought, now what am I going to do? I'm going to have to tear apart the whole thing to get that back in there. But I got lucky. I got everything up on the stand here and was able to look down in there with a bright light and a long skinny rod, and I was able to fish it back into place and got that shift shaft back in there. But it wasn't easy, and it's really a bad design. So if you're replacing your shift shaft seal, just be very careful if you do pull this up that you don't move anything around, or that you are confident you can get it back in without that little thing sliding back and forth out of place on you. So that's my public service announcement. I hope it might help somebody, and I hope you have a good day.